Hello guys, so we are back with yet another video. This is the second video in our playlist, and in this video I will tell you that how you can set up your IDE. I'm using PyCharm, and I request you to also use PyCharm so that you will not find any problem, because if you use any other you will definitely find problems. Okay, so I'm using PyCharm. Let's see how to set up our IDE for OpenCV. The first thing you need to do is go to File and create new project and name your project whatever you want. I'll name it OCV, OpenCV, OCV. I'll name it OpenCV. Okay, I need it in this window. And when you click on, when you create this project, it will take some time. Let it take its time. After that, I will tell you that what we need to do. Okay, I hope you have seen the previous video and you have already installed the OpenCV package from CMD. Okay, so now our project is created. Now if you go to 1 minute, let me fix this. Okay, configure automatically. Okay, yes. Now right click on OCV and go to new and create Python file, new Python file, and name this Python file anything. I will name it intro. And after I have created this file intro, I will try to import CV2. Okay, and when you will try to import CV2, you will see that there is an error. There is an error that no module named CV2 is found, but you have actually already installed it. You have actually already installed the package through CMD and also checked on Python console that when you type import CV2, it is actually working and not giving any error. Then what is the problem? The problem is that your CV2 package is not linked with your project, and you need to link it. In order to link it, just go to File, then go to Settings. After going to Settings, just on the left panel, go to Project OCV or whatever you have name you have given to your project. Then go to Project Interpreter. After you go to Project Interpreter, just click on plus sign, then type in. Okay, now let me cross this and explain you something. When you click on Project Interpreter, you will see that pip and setup tools are installed, but there is no our OpenCV. So in order to install that package, just click on plus. After that, type OpenCV hyphen Python. Okay, and this select this and just install package. Okay, it will take some time, but it will eventually install. If it's so similar, as you can see that there is some error, just close it. And you need to do this. Just click on these and click on this upgrade button. Just click on setup tool, click on upgrade button, then click on pip, click on this upgrade button just over the eye. Okay, and when you will do this, I request you to just don't don't give much attention to this upgrade packages failed. There's some problem with PyCharm. Okay, after you are done with this, just click on plus and do the thing again. OpenCV hyphen Python, and you need to install this package. Just click on install this package, and I think this time it will install. It will definitely install. But it takes time. It is taking time, so it's installing. Okay, so as you can see that there is green bar and it's actually installed. So what you need to do is you need to go to Project Interpreter, then you need to click on plus, and then you need to install it. If you are unable to install it, then let me tell you that you have to upgrade all of the things which are here. Just click on them and click on this upgrade. Okay, so now when you will just move out, you will see that there is no error and CV2 is imported very easily. So this is the setup that you need to do. Okay,